The other way to drive instant traffic and sales is by using Amazon's sponsored ads. A very, very good way of making fast money. Essentially, it is almost free money because you always make sales, and 100% of it, well, let's say 99% of the time, you're going to be profitable. Of course, if you're getting organic traffic and you're not paying for ads, you're going to be making more money for each product that you sell. But you're still going to be profitable by using Amazon sponsored ads in most cases. It's very, very easy to set up. You select your product. You set up an ad account within your Seller Central interface. You select a product, so you likely only have one, which is your first product. Then you just tell Amazon which keywords you want to advertise under. So if you're selling yoga mats, you want to, the keywords would be yoga mats, obviously, or maybe kids yoga mats, or just under yoga in general. It depends how specific and targeted you want to be. And then you just tell Amazon, okay, I want to appear in the ad section, the top right and bottom of the page, when someone searches for this specific keyword. And you will pay only when someone clicks on an ad of yours. And essentially it's just sort of instant visibility and instant sales, and I highly recommend trying it out. In this manual I've written out some tips here. Again, it's the same with Facebook, Google, Amazon. They change things all the time, so basically the information I have in here is what is current. This is what you can do at the moment. Things may change, and I will update this video and document as they do, but at the moment this is what is working. Basically, set a high daily budget, so say $25, and like I say here, you're not going to spend it, but it will guarantee you're going to get visibility and placement. Then you will bid $5 per click for each keyword. You're not going to pay $5, you're just going to pay to be above the next highest bidder, who will be bidding at something like 50 cents, or depending on the product, it completely depends. But if you bid at $5 per click, then you're guaranteed to get visibility, traffic and sales. And you're not going to pay $5, it'd be 30 cents, 50 cents, depends on the market and depends on the products and the competition and other factors. But it's not currently, it's not expensive at all. And in fact, it's around 8 times, 10 times cheaper than advertising on Google for specific markets. The example I gave, which is real in this manual, is that on Google AdWords for the exact same product, I'm paying about it actually works out at about $5 to $5 a click. I'm paying in British pounds, but it's an expensive market and it's a very tough competitive market. So I'm paying about $5 per click on Google AdWords. In Amazon sponsored ads, I'm paying far less than that. It's under $1. Something like 60 cents a click, and the traffic is far more targeted as well. So even if you bid up, you're not going to pay very much, and you will get instant guaranteed visibility. You can also track when a certain keyword has made a certain sale. If someone has searched for yoga mats, has gone to your product and then has bought it, Amazon will tell you that. Data for that is slightly delayed by like a day for telling you when what keyword a product is converted from, but it'll tell you after sort of 24 hours or so. And therefore, when you know what keywords are converting and what are not, then you can obviously delete the ones which aren't converting, and try some additional keywords until you have a sort of set of 5 or 10 keywords which convert very, very well for your particular product. So you just need to keep an eye on your costs, sort of check it every day. Just check that your keywords are returning profits, and you'll find that Amazon ads really is, or currently is, a bit of a dream. It's like I say, it's kind of really free money. You put your ad up there, let your products get huge visibility and traffic, and you make sales. So it's definitely something to try out, as well as the other promotional methods I've mentioned in the course.